Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Zafri Ikrama bin Muhammad. I am 12 years old. I study at Sekolah Kebahasaan Kampung Tengah. The school code is 28306. Now, I would like to introduce to you all one of the books that I love to read. The title of this book is The Elegant Frog. It was published by Pustaka Seri Idaman in 2019. This book has 38 pages. I also like the illustration by Abdul Wahab Mizan in this book. This book was written by Rizwan Amin. In a dense jungle, there's a frog named Basit, and it's a big and a strong frog. One day, the snake appeared and wanted to eat all of the frogs in the pond. The snake proceeded closer to the frogs. The drizzling rain made the frogs unaware of the danger that was waiting. Suddenly, Basit jumped high and landed on the snake. The snake's head hit a sharp rock and it died. Basit successfully saved the other frog's life and made Basit known as a hero amongst them. Since that day, Basit became arrogant and snobbish because it felt stronger than the other frogs. Basit declared itself as the king of the pond and the other frogs must obey to his words. The frogs became more fearful of Basit. They decided to meet a wise old tortoise who lived at the river bank to seek advice to get rid of their fear. The wise tortoise met Basit and gave him an advice. The advice made Basit feel very angry and insulted. Basit angrily kissed the wise tortoise to leave the pond and that made the wise tortoise feel sad. Since that day, Basit became vengeful towards the other frogs. The frogs could not be patient anymore. They begged the wise tortoise to help them. After discussing, they came up with a plan. The next day, the frogs brought some delicious food and met Basit. They told Basit that it was difficult to find food out in the forest because they were terrified of a huge bear. When Basit listened, there were other animals bigger than itself. It became very angry. It jumped onto a big rock and then breathed in a lot of air. His stomach began to bloat. His stomach began to bloat because he inhaled much air. Without thinking any further, he continued to inhale as much air as he could. Suddenly, there was a loud sound that shocked the other frogs, which came from Basit's stomach as it grew too big. From this story, I had learned that we need to be humble. We need to treat other people nicely and don't be arrogant. Arrogance only leads us to failure. In some situations, maybe we are stronger than others, but that is not the reason for us to be arrogant. Our attitude can affect our life, so don't be humble and be a nice person. Thank you.